ಫ್ರೀಡಂ ರನ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ಸಮಿತಿ ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದ 4ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಫ್ರೀಡಂ ರನ್ 2025ರ ಅನಾವರಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಚ್ಒ ಅನೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಜುಲೈ 1ರಂದು ಬಲೂನ್ ಹಾರಿಸಿ ಲೋಗೋ ಅನಾವರಣ ಮಾಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ಆರಂಭವಾಯಿತು. ಸಭೆಯನ್ನ ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ವೃತ್ತ ಕಚೇರಿಯ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಎಚ್ಕೆ ಗಂಗಾಧರ್, ಇಂದು ನಾವು 1906ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ 120ನೇ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪನಾ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ಮಾದರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀಡಂ ರನ್ ಒಂದು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿದ್ದು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಶಸ್ತ್ರ ಪಡೆಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸವಾರ ಎಂಬ ವಿಷಯದ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀಡಂ ರನ್ 2025ರ 4ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯು ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 10ರಂದು ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ರೋಹನ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್, ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್, ಬಜಾಜ್ ಅಲಯನ್ಸ್, ಉಡುಪಿ ರನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್, ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ರನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇತರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಪ್ರಾಯೋಜಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Two of our guests, they have left early. Now, thank you. Today, people were talking like how we will be running in a event.
My fellow general managers and my dearest Kenrites, wishing you a very happy Founders Day, 120 years back. Today we are celebrating 120th Foundation Day. 120 years back Canara Bank started in the same erstwhile United Dakshina Kannada district. Our founder is born at Mulki. We are very proud and blessed to be part of this great organization, and I take this opportunity that me and my fellow colleagues of Canara Bank will rededicate in the services of the nation with a humble beginning in 1906. Today 2025 we are completing 120 years from a humble beginning to one of the greatest banks of the country. So we pray our founders, and again 1925 Syndicate Bank was also formed on this day. The founders, say Dr. T.M.A. Pai and his colleagues of that day, with a humble beginning, with a pi to pi, from Ambal Subbarao Pai to T.M.A. Pai. We have grown from pi to pi with 2,000, only rupees 2,000 balance sheet. Today we are 25 lakh crores of great. We are the systematically important bank for the country. So we here will rededicate in the services of the countrymen today. And I wish this Freedom Run a very successful event. This is the 4th year. Year on year we will grow together. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to be here. Thank you very much.
And we have been seeing in the newspaper and other media that Manipal Circle is every year is conducting. I'm happy that this year I'm a part of this process, and I congratulate the organizers and wish you all the best, so that more and more number of people are attending the program every year. So
we have inaugurated for a marathon, and all we are supporting. We are giving a different outlook for the society, and I think all of we Canara Bank staff members, we will redouble our efforts by giving our good services to the nation. Thank you.
For choosing this day, that is 120th Foundation Day, for inaugurating this marathon, and that too with the tagline of solidarity with our soldiers. So that is an apt tagline for this. And I have been witnessing this marathon since last 1 year, and it has been growing. The participation and registrations has been growing like anything from 3,000 to 5,000 participations we have seen last year. This year I am sure it will exceed 7,000, and on this occasion I congratulate all of you for freedom run. Thank you.
So I want to congratulate Canara Bank for their services and also for organizing this event. This is a great initiative. Definitely every year you are coming up with new tagline. This time it's a freedom run. That is now globally there is a tension between all the countries, and this is a great initiative, and everyone will be aware of the necessity here. And I wish Canara Bank give a great services to the nation. Thank you.
Right day and the right tagline also. So glad to see that Manipal and Udupi is slowly transforming into the running capital of Chile will be for the state and slowly for the country. There are so many events and events. The Canara Bank run on the Freedom Run has been an annual event. Manipal Marathon and Udupi Runners Club also has a run every year. So glad it will all be healthy and wishing this run a great success.
The Udupi Runners Club are really happy and overjoyed to associate such Canara Bank run. Normally, when Syndicate Bank was there, the marathon was conducted by them. And over the years, we are growing, and the Canara Marathon is growing year by year. And we are sure we will put in a very good grand show. All the best.
Jai Hind and greetings to everyone present here from Canara Bank family. A great momentous day and a moment when you are just having the first strides being put for the Freedom Run. What a wonderful executives present here, and I could see the smiles on all your faces. One important thing is this: if the registration soft copy, the software is ready, today all of you, if you are present here for a purpose, register yourself for the basic running events, and that would be the way we will show you solidarity in seeing that this Freedom Run is going to be done to meet the expectations and beat the expectations to a higher level. And to all of you, have a healthy life. To have a healthy life, let your whole family be a party on the day. I think the day is already announced, 10th August, as a preparatory Freedom Run from the Canara Bank family, and all the world around here will come together. We will wish the best to happen on the day and do not regret later without registering today, tomorrow, or in the next few days to come. Thank you very much.
This event for your precious time. And last year we have got a wonderful support from all of you. So this year also we are expecting the same thing. Thank you so much. Now we'll have a group photo.